Hello, our esteemed viewers. You're welcome once again to our favorite mathematics YouTube channel, Mathematics by Abu Zaynab, a channel specially created for you and I to demystify mathematics and to tackle the age-long phobia associated with this subject, one topic at a time. Today, we delve in further into the topic, indicial equation, but today, we're looking at indicial equation leading to quadratic equation. That's like a combo. Without wasting much time, I'm taking just a single example to explain as best as simplified as possible the concept. Let's dive in without wasting time. We have to solve the equation 2 raised to the power 2y minus 5 minus 3 bracket 2 raised to the power y minus 3 plus 1 equals to 0. So the catch here is that the base is 2 all through to the power of y. So let's try to simplify everything strictly to the power of y. So I'm going to have here 2 raised to the power 2y. This is division, right? 2 raised to the power 5. We are using the laws of indices. Minus 3 bracket 2 raised to the power y divided by 2 raised to the power 3. Then plus 1. Right? Okay. Then here we have 2 raised to the power y all squared. By interchanging the 2 and the y, it's commutative. So divided by this, that's 2 raised to the power 5. Minus 3. We have also here 2 raised to the power y divided by 2 raised to the power 3. Still plus 1 equals 0. So here we have 2 to the power of y all squared over 2 power 5 is 32 minus 3 to the power of y over 2 power 3 is 8 plus 1 equals 0. At this juncture, we can linearize by multiplying through by the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of denominators, that's 32 and 8, is 32. So multiplying through by 32, I'm going to be left with just here 2 power y all squared minus 32 times 3 over 8 to the power y plus 32 times 1 equals to, of course, 0 times 32 is still 0. Mind you, 32 has been multiplied with this 1 over 32 to give us just 1 here. So I'm going to have here 2 power y all squared minus 8 in 32 is 4 times 3, that's 12. Then 2 is power y plus 32 equals 0. So at this point, we can bring in a new letter entirely of our choice. We can say, let P be 2 power y. So we replace 2 power y with P. And this becomes P squared minus 12P plus 32 equals 0, which is a simple case of a quadratic equation, which luckily we can factorize, and that is P minus 8P minus 4 equals 0, which on solving gives us P equals to 8 or P equals to 4. But are we done yet? Of course not. Of course not. Recall that the question came in y. It must be returned in y as a solution. Hence, we simply say, recalling that 2 to the power of y equals to P. That is from here. 2 power y equals to P. Then, when P is 8, we pick the values of P in turn. So we have 2 power y equals to 8, which translates to 2 power y equals to 2 power 3. Remember, we are now back to simple indicial equation. So we have equal bases. Therefore, y equals to 3. On the other hand, when P is 4, the other value of P, again, we have 2 power y equals to this time around 4. Still using the same value substitution. So 2 power y equals 2 power 2. Equating the bases again, y is equals to 2. We can then conclude that y is either 3 or 2 for this equation to be correct. And that is the solution to the indicial equation leading to quadratic form. Y equals to 3 or 2 for this particular question. I believe you found this quite interesting, revealing, and most importantly, fun, as I did here. If you have any issues whatsoever, as expected in some cases, feel free to pause the video or rewind and go through whatever stage you feel you have issues with. And please, may I say here, feel free to contact me as well, if need be, to explain. But I believe it's quite self-explicit. And with that, we come to the end of the lesson today, which is exponential or indicial equations leading to quadratic form. I believe you are finding these videos quite useful. Please, stay tuned, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you'll be the first to know if we drop our new video. Stay blessed. See you next time.